Up for sale, 1965 Chevy C10. I'm going to walk around it, tell you about the truck, fire it up, and then drive it. If you do enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you. Like I said, a 65 C10, finished in black, with black and green interior, powered by a Jasper small block motor, 3-speed manual on the column, and power 4-wheel disc brakes. As always, I'm going to go around it, point out anything I do see, fire it up, and then drive it. So of course, we'll start her in the front. But before I do, I'd like to say, while being an older restoration for this truck, definitely from the South, and unbelievably has all original metal. The fenders, even the outer rockers, the bed all the way around. Underneath the truck, the floors are original. Inner rockers are all original. The braces are all original. It's actually rather impressive. Now, in the last year, the gentleman just put new tires, new steel wheels, and hubcaps, which, if we get a little close up on here, just looks sweet. Redid the bench seat cover, lowered the front, and then just in the last month, because I saw it while the work was being done, he just redid the bed, painted it black, new slats, and it just looks like an infinity pool where it continues into the bed. Painted both of these. Painted both sides of the bed and that. I just put these on because they were nice and new. And he also did the bumper. So anyway, we'll go to the front of the truck now. I think I got to refocus my camera already, but hold on one second. Okay, there we go. Bumper is not as nice as the back one, of course. A little bit of fading. Oh, and I'll show you the grill at the same time. But the bumper guards are cool on there. And then the only real thing that jumps out at me is this little crease there. But the rest of the bumper looks good. The rest of the grill looks good too. So let me just... I'm going to break the hood up into sections as I go down it. See a little blemish there in the paint. But you can see it's still got a nice mirror shine even for the age. And right here on the corner you see this rather odd touch-up that was done. But let me see here. See a couple other little marks there. And then I know, because I keep being interrupted and I have to keep redoing this, a couple here, couple here. But I need two hands to pop the hood, so just bear with me. Jasper motor. I ran the block code. Came out to be a 64 to 66 283 block, but I don't know what Jasper did to it, so we're just going to say just Jasper 283. It's got the tag there, and there's a tag on the oil filter, which I ran the phone number that was on there also to Jasper, so that's rather cool. Edelbrock intake, Edelbrock carb. The brake booster master cylinder for the power 4-wheel disc brakes, which is by CPP. Oh, and how solid these are as well. Those are notorious to rust out as well, so it's nice to see them on both sides in nice condition. And firewall's clean. Looks rather nice. And I'm trying to think if anything jumps out at me from looking at it. Harrison radiator. But no. I want to start it up, let you guys hear it run right now. Take it out of gear. All working factory gauges. It's got a nice little rumble to it. How are you? And it's super smooth. So anyway, we will, of course, show it run and drive later on in the video. And it does run and drive super nice. It shifts very nice. And for myself, who just learned how to drive manual last year and taught myself how to drive 3-speed on the column last week, I would say it does so very nice. So let's just start here, focusing on the fender. Oh, there's some water spots on here. I was supposed to wipe that off. Ignore that, but the paint here is nice. No blemishes there. A couple more blemishes there. But let's go down the side like that and down. And again, you can make it out. Even the inner fender walls in there are original to the truck. Little touch up there. I think black might have been the original color of the truck too, because I don't see any other colors that it would have been. Some small little bubbles in this section here. Lower rocker is nice, and again, that's original. Some blemishes here, a couple more bubbles there. And like I was talking about this truck with somebody, I'd rather have, oh, that's buffing compound. I'd rather have original metal with some light bubbles and claim that I got an awesome original metal truck that drives fantastic than one with China metal. And you don't know what it was like before. Or Bondo. Don't even get me started on Bondo. But anyway, focusing here. Nice hem in the door. No Bondo in there. Door jamb going all the way up. Looks nice as well. And again, I don't see any color here, so it could have been a black truck. And then underneath, I know there's no rust, which is nice. I hope you got a good glimpse of that. I think I took a picture of that. And I believe the green paint in the doors are original as well. Nice metal here. The VIN is where it's supposed to be. The tag is where it's supposed to be. So let's back out here. Seat cover, again, like I said, black with the white stripe. It looks rather nice, complements the white in here. That was beautifully done. It has seat belts. Original steering wheel, original condition. Actually, you know, rather nice. No cracks where you put your hands. The horn works. Well, wait a minute. Yeah, the horn works. All the gauges work. You saw them all pop up. And nice paint there. Nice paint here. Now, Andrew, how do you know it's a Southern truck? Well, I found the mud bees underneath it. So I kept that, because obviously those are not up here. And I got an original manual. And, which was in my pocket, I found it in the glove box. It was just a note written on a piece of paper from Texas, so very well could have been. So rather than throwing that out, I decided to keep it. No cracks in the glass. The paint on top of the truck looks super nice as well. New gas tank. And then I believe the white was painted sometime after the black, because it's actually super nice. No bubbling in here. Nice condition all the way around. I'll show you that side on the other side. And continuing on down here. Some chips there. Another one there. Looks like a touch up there. Some more there. No bubbles on the bed. No bubbles back there. And I like the chrome rails. It got this little custom look to it. Some stone chips and stuff like that. A couple blemishes here. Some around where the bumper was. And again, I mentioned that the rear bumper was new. Same thing here, some marks around where the bumper goes on. Nice here. Some marks there. Let me lay underneath and see what I can show you. Oh, definitely original there. It's got new shocks, new springs in the back, so there's a couple things I forgot to mention. New panhard bar. It looks like new brake lines, obviously, for the power four-wheel disc brakes. It's got a 12-bolt rear in it. See there, and you can see how nice even the wood underneath was painted. And if you can make it out, the braces. Oh, you can't see that one, but yeah, you can see that one right. Let me see if I could get my finger in there, right there. I hit pause instead of backing out. I also believe it's got new front shocks as well, and you can see the disc brakes in the back, which is nice. Oops, little touch up right there. Nice finish down and around here. Door lines up nicely. A lot less bubbles on this side. Just a couple in this corner, and then just a little bit in that corner. Oh, and it's got these. I like the way that looks. Nice there. Original metal all the way up. Original green paint. Nice in here as well. But anyway, we'll be up for sale later today on my website, nextgenclassiccars.com, and eBay. Both links will be in the description of this video. If you'd like to check it out, let us know. 65 C10 short bed, finished in black with green and black interior. Jasper 283, 3-speed manual on the column, 12 bolt, power 4-wheel disc brakes. And as always, you know, thank you for watching. And we're gonna get in it, drive it now, and take it around the block. Thank you.
Smooth shifter, man.
I was driving around the block today.
Yeah.
It is.
You know, like some of them are kind of gunked up, hard to get into. Some
Yeah,
this
yeah.
one's all perfect.
Some of them are sloppy.
Yeah, not this one. I wasn't expecting it to have that much power. For some
Oh, when you
reason.
went by the last time, I'm like, oh.
Yeah, it's got some power. Clutch feels great. Brakes are nice, high and hard.
4-wheel power disc.
synchronized first gear. Or unsynchronized, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Complete stops.
It's the same scrap guy that's been coming around since I started doing this.
Yeah.
Yep. I used to have his phone number. I would send him scrap.
I got a couple of people like that.
Yeah.
They don't. My guys don't seem to keep their number for that long.
No. The last time I talked with the guy, I sent him a bunch of stuff that was on the street we had just put out. He said, "Okay, save it for me for tomorrow." And I'm like, "No, I'm not pulling it back inside."